Okay, so now we are on question 43. You should have just watched this video in your notes and answered a couple questions. We're moving on to vocabulary, and we're going to talk about an open system. An open system is where matter or energy or both can go in and out of the system. Earth is an open system for energy because energy can come in from the sun or leave through infrared radiation. So the open Erlenmeyer flasks in the steel wool and baking soda vinegar experiments that we did in class are open systems because matter and energy can flow in and out of the opening easily. Go ahead and pause the video and come up with another example on your own. Okay, continuing on. Question 43 with vocabulary also. This is your closed system definition. So a closed system is a system where matter or energy are stuck and can't flow in or out of the system. Earth is usually a closed system to matter because gravity holds everything down, keeping things from leaving. The exception to this is when meteors or asteroids impact the Earth or when humans send spacecraft and satellites out. The closed Erlenmeyer flask that we used in our experiments with the balloons and the steel wool and baking soda vinegar experiments are closed systems because the balloon can keep matter from going in and out. Okay. Now it's a closed system for matter, but not for energy in this example. Okay. Because the light and the heat and those kinds of things can go out, but the mass cannot. Okay. So come up with another example on your own. Go ahead and pause the video again. Okay. Continuing on. So question 43 again, Earth. Earth is an open system when considering energy because energy is always flowing in and out continuously. But Earth is a closed system when considering mass because matter doesn't usually flow in or out. Okay, pause the video as you need. Question 44, comparing models to experiments. Think back to our modeling activity with the Legos and the ball and stick modeling activities. When we did those reactions, were Lego bricks or balls left over after the reaction was completed? Were any additional ones needed that weren't already in the reactants? And how is this related to our mass experiments in questions 39 through 42? Okay, so I want you to think about, real quick, I'll give you an example of a closed versus open system. So coffee mug, when it's closed, is a closed system. Matter, energy, nothing is flowing in and out, okay? An insulated coffee mug would be better than the one I'm holding. But when I open up top, now it's an open system because energy and matter can flow in and out. So think about another example on your own. Don't use that one. Okay. Question 45, the universal law, the law of the universe, not one that you can break. Matter cannot be created or destroyed. Okay. And I believe from there, yep, we go on to your next video. So stop and you can go ahead and start with the next video.